Dramatic footage captures the moment a Ukrainian drone drops a bomb on a Russian tank, sparking a huge fireball. The video, reportedly filmed in the Mykolaiv region of southern Ukraine, shows in crystal clear quality the improvised explosive land a direct hit on a Russian T-72 tank. In the brief clip, which was shared on Twitter, the drone's camera pans over a wooded area to where the Russian tank has been hidden by the tree cover. The drone gets directly over the tank while the operator checks the angles, before unleashing an improvised munition containing a 1.5 kilograms explosive payload. Then it lands right on the tank's engine area, triggering an enormous explosion and taking the tank out of action. The drone camera then zooms in to examine the damage to the T-72 tank. Each one costs around $1 million when new. But it isn't known if there were any Russian soldiers inside the tank at the time. The video comes as fighting continues across southern and eastern Ukraine, with President Zelensky's forces battling to retake more of the territory claimed by Russia.